Have you ever wondered about the complexities of natural language processing, or NLP? The task of understanding, interpreting, and manipulating human language by machines is no small feat. It's like trying to teach a robot to understand not just words, but the nuances of human communication, the sarcasm, the cultural references, the double entendre, and that's just in one language. Now imagine doing that for hundreds of languages, each with its own unique grammar, idioms, and cultural nuances. Then there's the challenge of ambiguity. A single sentence can have multiple interpretations based on the context. And let's not forget slang, colloquialisms, and constantly evolving language trends. It's a Herculean task, to say the least. These complexities necessitate the use of sophisticated tools that can handle the intricacies of language, understand context, and process different languages efficiently. To navigate these challenges, one needs an efficient and user-friendly tool. Enter SpaCy, a highly acclaimed Python library dedicated to NLP. So what makes SpaCy stand out in the world of NLP? Let's delve into its features. First up, we have tokenization. This is the process of breaking down text into words, phrases, symbols, or other meaningful elements, known as tokens. With SpaCy, this task becomes a breeze, thanks to its emphasis on efficiency and precision. It can swiftly and accurately tokenize text data, making it a crucial first step in any NLP project. Next, let's talk about named entity recognition, or NER. This feature allows SpaCy to identify and categorize real-world objects in text, such as persons, organizations, locations, and more. This can be incredibly useful in various applications, from information extraction to sentiment analysis. Then we have dependency parsing. This is where SpaCy really shines. It helps us understand the grammatical structure of a sentence, determining how all the tokens relate to each other. It's like having a microscopic lens that reveals the intricate relationships between words and phrases. But what about different languages? Well, SpaCy has got you covered. It offers pre-trained models tailored to various languages. This means you can easily apply these features not just to English text, but to a wide array of languages. A true linguistic powerhouse. But that's not all. One of SpaCy's key strengths is its smooth integration with deep learning frameworks, allowing it to be combined with advanced capabilities of deep learning models. In summary, what does SpaCy bring to the table? It's a powerhouse providing tokenization, named entity recognition, and dependency parsing. It excels in efficiency and precision, and comes with pre-trained models for various languages. Add to that its ability to integrate with deep learning frameworks, making it even more versatile. It's user-friendly, designed to make your NLP projects smoother and faster. Whether you're a practitioner, researcher, or developer in the Python ecosystem, SpaCy provides a powerful platform to meet your NLP needs.